Ultrafresh through a friend who recommended it. They had had a really good experience and we were looking for someone who could deliver really quick. So that's how we came across Ultrafresh. Hi, I'm Gitika Raheja. We recently got our kitchen done and we are 5 members in our family. We had the same kitchen for the last 25 years and we were really looking to renovate it. It had a pretty old look to it. We wanted to completely change the outlook. So we decided to go ahead with the entire renovation and that's how we worked with Ultrafresh. So we came across Ultrafresh through a friend who recommended it. They had had a really good experience and we were looking for someone who could deliver really quick. So that's how we came across Ultrafresh and we went ahead. So I think designer that we interacted with, pricing that they were offering, it was pretty transparent. Any changes, they would come back immediately with what would be the impact on the pricing. They spent quite a bit of time explaining how the entire layout would look. They gave us 3D images, they showed us online versions of it. So it became quite easy for us to visualize the entire thing. And they spent quite a bit of time with us before we got into the whole thing. So I think that is what made us go ahead with it. The installation experience was excellent. In fact, they turned it around really fast first because that was a key requirement. We were living in the house. We wanted it to be, installed as fast as possible. They took a notice of that and they were very nice to actually deliver it in a short time frame. That's one. Second is committed a certain date. The installation folks came in on the right day. They were extremely professional. They told us exactly what would be required for the installation. So I think overall it was a great experience. I think soft closing of the drawers is my favorite part. I mean, the kids just enjoy opening and closing drawers because it's so, soft and comfortable. So that I think would be the best part for me with the new. I personally don't cook much myself, but now with the new kitchen, I actually enjoy coming and, making some quick things. It's very easy with the entire modular design. Everything is very easily accessible to me. I know exactly what's kept where. So I think that has really helped me. I would say just go with it because spend the time with them in the beginning with the designer, visualizing everything. Once you finalize everything, they're actually open to changing things also, as we go along. So they're not very rigid about those things. They're flexible. So I think go with them is my recommendation.